This right here, this is my burnt out, very dead Westinghouse box fan motor. As you can see, there's only 2 leads left right here. There's it. The other lead is right here. This is the low speed wire. I cut it off because the low speed windings are shot. And as you can see here, you can barely, if at all, read the label there. It's pretty bad. This came off of a Lasko box fan out of the 50s. I found it deep in the woods at my grandmother's house in the back seat of an old Chevy Corvair. I imagine it's probably been out there for the last at least 30 years. Because when things were dragged up into the woods at my grandpa's, they were dead, or just about dead. And that's where they stayed for a while. I'm gonna see if I can get this open to show you all just how bad that motor really is. Let me see here. Get a screwdriver. And, let me open up this motor for a second. Let me see here. There it goes. Okay. I got it. So here, this is the squirrel cage rotor, they call them. There's little cooling fans on there to keep the inside of the motor cool while it's running. This tells me it's a high quality motor for sure. Has permanently sealed bearings right here. There's no way to really lubricate them unless you pull it apart, like I did here. And now for the windings. You can see the low speed windings are the very dark colored ones because they're burnt. Well, the lighter colored ones, the coppery colored ones, they're the high speed windings, and they seem to be okay. I hooked it up to a continuity meter when I first brought it up to the house here. The fan's down in the barn right now, I'll show it later. I had continuity for high. So I hooked up a plug to the end of the wires right there and plugged it in. And sure enough, the shaft started spinning. And then I got a big old spark to come right out of this hole right here. Now I've got no continuity in any of the windings, so unless I have this motor right here rewound, let's see if I can get the other half out. Well, not right now anyways, but you can still see these windings are pretty toasted. I really don't have to do it myself anymore here. It really is pretty bad, and I don't think I'll be able to save this, but hopefully I'll be able to use it for like a college project or something and rewind it. I'm going to go to school to be an electrician this fall, and I'm going to take a course called Electrical Construction and Maintenance, which is the repair and restoration of electric motors, and how to install and properly maintain residential and other forms of wiring. I'm not sure off the top of my head all the stuff I'm going to be doing, but it's stuff I do right now and stuff I enjoy doing, so until next time, this is the Westinghouse motor.